Konnichiwa. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So in a fast-changing world nowadays, the need to adapt new business requirements become more critical than ever. The fast fish will eat the big fish. That's why easy to see many big companies are losing their reputation, losing their market share and ranking just because they are struggling to update the core system running on legacy technologies. And for FPT case, within around 1,000 customers around the world, we see around 65 systems running on legacy technologies. And this requires many thousands, even many 10,000 people to maintain, to support for their core system. And the size, every size of each legacy system around 10 millions. I think it's a huge number and very difficult for human people to reach and understand the full system. According to Gartner report in 2024, legacy modernization is the top 2 priorities for both Western market and Asian market. From our experience, we see there are 5 main pain points of the clients who have their core system running on legacy technologies. The first is high risk because of aging resources. The second is the high cost because the system run on mainframe and supported by rare resources. Number 3 is inefficiency because of isolation from system running on mainframe, lack of interoperation with new application. The number 4 is vulnerabilities because most of the documents are outdated. The last but not least is the latency, very slow response to the new business requirements. So what is the solution? According to Gartner report, by 2027, generative AI will help reduce 70% the cost of transformation by explaining the legacy business and facilitating faster replacement. FPT understand the pain point very well, and for past 5 years, we have developed methodologies and process building with AI, now generative AI. And we also have a lot of accelerators to facilitate the modernization and build up a large pool of resource. Many thousands people are working in mainframe technologies and ready for legacy modernization. We focus on addressing 4 pain points. The first is helping our customer feel more confident with the right assessment powered by generative AI. The second is to support for understanding the legacy system by reading the source code by AI and then reverse engineering. The third is system validation and verification because our customer want to see, to make sure the output of the new system the same as the legacy system. The number 4 is code generation powered by AI to support the best automation when doing the migration. Nowadays, FPT is providing top-notch and end-to-end service offering, covering every activities, every phase of the legacy mainframe life cycle, from mainframe maintenance, to manage service, including application managed service, infrastructure managed service, cloud managed service, securities. Verification and testing, as I mentioned earlier, is a very critical mission. We also support for assessment and solution design. And of course, we can help you to do legacy migration from version upgrading, migrating to open mainframe, reverse engineering, AI-based source code, conversion, and data migration. And the last but not least is the legacy modernization from system re-architecture, APIfication, UI UX modernization, business modernization, and database modernization. So FPT help our client reimagine and renovate the legacy system with automation and AI-ready support in process. On screen, this is one example of our methodologies and process to do legacy migration. It's covered from assessment to program migration to data migration and quality assurance. In every phase, in every step, we have some accelerator tool powered by AI to streamline the task and make sure the outcome is fulfilled to meet our customer expectation. And the heart of our framework, of our methodologies, is EMT and xMainframe. EMT is engineering platform and modernization technologies. xMainframe is a kind of large learning model. Support for our new member to be very quickly understanding the legacy technologies, understanding the legacy system so that they can join the project in very short time. Let's say xMainframe can help the new member save around 50% of the time to be able to join the project. So let's watch a movie to introduce about our xMainframe. xMainframe is a large learning model, can help to optimize up to 30% of the effort with the 90% accuracy. And not only xMainframe to support for legacy modernization, we also have another AI for code platform named CodeVista. The CodeVista is a tool to support for our developer, enhance the coding efficiency up to 30% through generative AI-driven interactive prompting interface. For 2 years after launching CodeVista, we have around 6,500 installations, and it helped generate 1.5 million lines of code and cover around 1,000 projects, help save 6,000 amendments in our real projects. And the result will be much more in the near future with the next generation of generative AI. About the resource, we not only built the methodologies, the accelerator, but also we built a large of resource pool. Up to today, we have 2,500 people ready working for mainframe technologies like COBOL, RPG, PL1. We have 4,500 people working in different cloud technologies, 1,500 people for AI and data engineering service. And we also have more than 200 people, SME, in different industry. There are some showcase come from Japan. One of the largest steel manufacturers in Japan already applies the xMainframe for their legacy migration. xMainframe helped consolidate 6 million lines of code for the current system, reduce human effort in reverse engineering tasks by 30% in early assessment phase. And another is a prominent real estate Japanese company. They use xMainframe to automate the data extraction and report generation, help address challenges with unformatted input files, reduce processing time from months to weeks, and achieve significant saving costs. So in conclusion, we still have to live with legacy technologies for many years. Modernization is inevitable. Even it brings a lot of headache. However, Appsoft have the right solution to support you to make the modernization a success. We will help our client to feel more confident with the modernization, to make the project plan more realistic, more feasible, to make the execution more manageable, and most important, to help business align with the demand from the market. So I'm looking forward to have a further discussion with all of you on this topic. Thank you for your attention.